Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm to try out. And I'm so excited to put this on right now because my lips are so desperately dry. It is finally cold where I live. It was in the 40s this morning, but I could tell already because my lips were extra dry. I always have chapped lips, but as soon as the weather gets cold, my lips are just like so awfully dry. But products like this are what I reach for when this happens. And this is like a multi-use soothing balm using papaya fruit. It can be used on lips, dry skin, cuticles, eyebrows to tame flyaways. So I love a multi-use product and it costs $8.50 and you can get it at Ulta. It's 100% natural, cruelty-free, vegan, and it sounds like it has some fantastic ingredients in it, along with olive oil, aloe vera, castor oil. So I feel like I cannot wait any longer. I have to put this on my lips. Cute little packaging here. I actually love to keep these multi-use types of balms in my handbag and just bring it with me everywhere I go. And it is like so quick and easy to apply with this packaging. But before I apply it, let's see how it smells. I actually don't get any smell to this, which is probably a good thing if you're putting it on like sensitive skin. And as I'm trying to squeeze it out, it does seem a little bit thick too, but let's see how it is on my lips. Oh my gosh, I love the texture of this. I thought it was going to be like a petroleum jelly, and it is. That's probably the texture that I would compare it to most closely. But it's a little bit thicker, almost like a mix between a petroleum jelly and a balm, which is fantastic. It has that shine to it, but like it's gonna stay in place a little bit more than like a slippy petroleum jelly. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. I wasn't expecting this flattering like lip gloss like shine. Oh, and it is like immediately moisturizing and smoothing to the lips. Like the dry patches that were like very textured in my lips are smoothed out. The lines in my lips are smoothed out. So even if I didn't have extremely dry lips, this would just be a flattering, smoothing, hydrating lip gloss, kind of. Oh, I love this. This is exactly what I was hoping for it to do. And then, I mean, it's small, so I don't really want to waste it on like dry skin that doesn't really need it right now, but I just love to have this for whatever you could need it for on the go. Like I get like a cowlick in my hair that's sticking up, which I kind of do have right here. Like just quickly, you know, slick it down. A little dry patch, like I'm always getting dry patches on my chin. I love to put something like this just to touch up those dry patches, but I really wanted to see how this is on extremely dry lips, and it is fantastic. So as the cold weather is approaching or kind of already here, I definitely recommend this Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm. And I think they have a bunch of other flavors too that I saw on the Ulta website, but just as like that go-to to relieve extremely dry lips. And if you have tried this out, let me know what you think of it. But also I would love to hear in the comments down below, what are your extreme dry lip solutions or favorite products? Because I love to try out those types of products, and I also love to get your recommendations. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.